Hello students, I am Monica Soul from M International School, Nayagaon. Today we will be learning the 9th chapter, The Idea of India. The Idea of India. Now what is this chapter about? In your civics you have already learned about the constitution. Here we will be seeing that how two friends, they wanted to make a project. See over here, the Constitution of India is the most important law in the country. It is a statement of the basic principles and laws of nations, state or group. Leela Seth, the first women judge of the Delhi High Court, in her book We the Children of India, explains its importance and meaning. Seth talks about the preamble which sets out our national goals, and as she says, is the soul of the constitution. Here two friends are discussing the preamble for a class project. What do they decide to talk about in their project and why? Read on. यहाँ पर मिसेस जो ये लैला सेठ है, शी वॉज द फर्स्ट विमेन जज हाई कोर्ट की. वहाँ उन्होंने एक बुक में लिखा था, बुक लिखी थी वी द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ इंडिया. वहाँ पर उन्होंने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की और प्रियम्बल का इंपॉर्टेंस बताया था. नाउ हियर द टू फ्रेंड्स, दे वर गिवन द प्रोजेक्ट इन स्कूल. दे हैड टू राइट अबाउट द सम टॉपिक. So what they decided, now they have chosen the topic about the preamble. Now that in the project, what they decided to write about. जैसे ही उन्होंने वो बुक के बारे में पढ़ा, उनको पता चला कि preamble का क्या है, तो उन्होंने क्या सोचा और क्या लिखा अपने प्रोजेक्ट में, उन्होंने क्या बनाया. That is there in this chapter. These are the two friends who are going to write about that. Now see, the two friends, एक का नाम था विजय लक्ष्मी and the one other was निम्मी खन्ना, had been friends for a long time. Ever since they had asked Vijay Lakshmi to read out an essay she had written about her friend Indira that was published in a children's magazine. After she read it to the class, Vijay Lakshmi nervously confessed that she didn't have a friend at all. Indira was an imaginary friend. Nimmi then told Vijay Lakshmi that she had a friend in her. They became best friends after that. Now in class 8, they often work, play and go out together. They decided to collaborate on their civics project and work in Vijay Lakshmi's house. Now, ये लोग फ्रेंड कैसे बनी? जो विजय लक्ष्मी है, उन्होंने जो ऐसे लिखा, she wrote such a beautiful essay over there. So these people, they just imagine, she wrote about the imaginary friend and she wrote the essay. That is why now Nimmi and Vijay Lakshmi, they were very good friends because she wrote the essay and that Nimmi read, तो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा निम्मी को कि तुमने कितना अच्छा ऐसे लिखा. ऐसे करके वो दोनों friends बन गई. तो they decided that both together they will be working on the civics project. Now what they did for the civics project, let's see. Yes, here Nimmi and Vijay Lakshmi are talking about that what they have to do for the project. Well, what shall we do? Shall we read the preamble to the constitution first and then decide how to do the project? Vijay Lakshmi ने क्या बोला? We have already read it so many times in class. First, Miss Emma read it out. Then we read it out groups, and then you read it out. So I don't think reading it again is going to help us. अब क्या हो रहा है? उन्होंने बोला क्लास में तो बहुत बार पढ़ लिया ये चैप्टर, बट अबाउट द प्रीएम्बल, बट हमें अभी भी इतनी डिटेल में पता नहीं चला कि हम एक प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं. तो व्हाट दे डिसाइडेड, सी अगेन, बट ऑल दोज सीरियस सॉल्मन वर्ड्स, हाउ डू दे कनेक्ट टू अस? मीन, आई हैव लुक्ड अप द मीनिंग्स इन द डिक्शनरी, बट व्हाट डू दे मीन इज इन रियल लाइफ, दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक टू नो. अब उन्होंने बोला कि बहुत बार पढ़ लिया, बट फिर भी उसका रियल मीनिंग क्या है वो हमें अभी तक समझ में नहीं आया. Vijay Lakshmi, you know, my aunt gave me a book the other day about the preamble. It is written by Leela Seth, who was the Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court and a former judge of the Supreme Court of India. Let's look at the book. Now they told about the Leela Seth, what book they have written. तो हम बोले वो उसमें से पढ़ेंगे हम. उन्होंने preamble के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से लिखा हुआ है. I just remember there was a program on TV, you know, that serial Satyamev Jayate. There was one episode about the meaning of the preamble and what it means for the people of India. I think we can watch it on this web link. अब उसने क्या बोला कि एक प्रोग्राम आया था टीवी पे सत्यमेव जयते, इन दैट ऑल्सो दे हैड टॉक्ड अबाउट द प्रीएम्बल. तो क्या हम उसमें से देख के लिख सकते हैं क्या उसके बारे में? लाइक दीज टू फ्रेंड्स वो डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इट. Now see, Vijay Lakshmi, oh yes, if we do that we'll get a look of good ideas. I'll get the book too. अब उनने क्या बोला, अपन दोनों चीज़ करते हैं, वो प्रोग्राम भी वॉच करेंगे and we'll get the book also. Now, the book that Vijay Lakshmi's aunt gave her was called We the Children of India, the preamble to our constitution. Justice said, explained that the preamble which sets out the national goals is the soul of the constitution. As future citizens, the children of the country should be aware of the principles that we as a nation stand for and the laws by which we can be governed. This is given in the very beginning of the constitution and is called the preamble. अब ये मेरे आपने अपनी बुक्स में भी, बहुत सारी बुक्स में भी you might have seen on the very first page the preamble is being printed. So they said that in the constitution many things are written about it, but हमें अभी भी ये actual meaning क्या है we are not able to understand. So that they wanted to understand actually. This is part of what Vijayalakshmi and Nimmi read. On 9th December 1946, about 8 months before India became independence, a group of men and women met in a hall in New Delhi, now known as the Central Hall of Parliament House. They were there to discuss the idea and write the constitution. The Constitution Assembly had many meetings and discussions, and almost all of them came up in ideas. But writing or drafting a constitution is a special task, and so they chose a smaller group among themselves. The chairman of this drafting committee was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to fully discuss and write the constitution. See, it took so many days to make a constitution, and this was done by Bhimrao Ambedkar, that you have already learned in the civics chapter. Now next. Yes, then here see, here this is written, this is now known as Law Day. It was signed by 284 members of the Constituent Assembly on 24 January 1950. 284 मेंबर्स ने ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली में साइन किया था, एंड 24 जनवरी 1950 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली थी ना, वहाँ पर इन्होंने साइन. जवाहरलाल नेहरू वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू साइन इट. हु साइंड इट फर्स्ट? जवाहरलाल नेहरू. एंड इट वाज सो एक्साइटेड, ही वाज सो एक्साइटेड दैट ही डिड सो विदाउट लीविंग एनी स्पेस फॉर द प्रेसिडेंट सिग्नेचर. अब ये पढ़ के जवाहरलाल नेहरू इतने एक्साइटेड हुए कि उन्होंने प्रेसिडेंट के लिए साइन करने के लिए जगह ही नहीं छोड़ी, तो उनको जस्ट उसके ऊपर बहुत छोटी सी जगह पे साइन करना पड़ा था. तो द प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद however managed to squeeze his signature above Nehru's. 2 days later, on 26 January, which is known as Republic Day, we became to be ruled by the law of the Constitution of India. It starts with the preamble. It sets out our national goals such as justice and equality. The preamble was the change in early 1977. The word socialist, secular was added as well as the word integrity. अब पहले का जो preamble बनाया था उसमें socialist, secular added नहीं थे, integrity भी added नहीं था. Afterwards, in 1977, they added these 3 words also. So now the preamble reads, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure it to all its citizens." This is what is written. You have read this, you might have read it in many books. This thing is written down. Now here, see, justice. Justice is what? Justice in social, economic and political sphere. कहाँ कहाँ पर अपन को justice चाहिए? We want justice in the social, economic and political sphere. Then we want liberty. Liberty means freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. हम जो भी चीज़ करते हैं उसमें हमें आज़ादी चाहिए. फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेयर, हमें फोर्स नहीं किया जाता कि हमारे रिलीजन फॉलो करने के लिए और एनीथिंग. एंड वी कैन एक्सप्रेस आवर थॉट. जो चीज़ हमें पसंद नहीं है वी कैन एक्सप्रेस इट. दैट लिबर्टी वी वांट. इक्वालिटी ऑफ स्टेटस एंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड टू प्रमोट अमॉन्ग देम ऑल. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. जब आप आपके नेशन इंडिया के हो तो आपकी जो डिग्निटी मेंटेन करनी है आपको दूसरे कंट्रीज़ में, दैट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ आवर गवर्नमेंट. दे हैव टू डू इट. दिस इज ऑल्सो रिटन देयर इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली. दिस 26th day of November 1949 to do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. If we express the above in simple words, it would read. अब इसको अपन अगर simple words में पढ़ें तो वो क्या बोला जाएगा? We the people of India. This includes all the people in our country. We the people of India का मतलब not only we 2 or 3 people, all, everyone who belongs to India, this thing will be followed. Next. Yes. Now, including children also, we the people means what? Not only the elder people, not only the people who are of senior citizens or anything, no. Even the children are involved in that. Having solemnly resolved to constitute India, having taken a firm decision to make India into a sovereign. Now, they have given the meaning. इसको अब अच्छे से explain किया है कि sovereign क्या है. We the citizens of the country can alone decide what we want to do and no other country can tell us what to do. हमारी कंट्री में हमें जो करना है वी हैव टू डू इट. नो अदर कंट्री कैन इंटरफियर. अब हमारे कंट्री में चाइना या पाकिस्तान वो इन्वॉल्व करके वो नहीं बोल सकते, वो हमें सिखाएंगे नहीं कि हमें क्या करना है. देन सोशलिस्ट, द पीपल ऑफ द कंट्री शुड प्रोड्यूस एंड शेयर द कंट्रीज वेल्थ. सेक्युलर इंडिया, वी नीड द सेक्युलर एज मीनिंग द गवर्नमेंट शुड बी नॉट प्रिफर एनी रिलीजन. एक ही किसी रिलीजन को फॉलो नहीं करना है. गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू बी इक्वल टू एवरीवन. जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं वो हर रिलीजन के लिए होने चाहिए. देयर शुड बी नो पार्शियलिटी. देन डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक मीन्स अ गवर्नमेंट विच इज रन बाय पीपल हु आर इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल फॉर द गुड ऑफ द पीपल. यहाँ पर डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक जो हम अपॉइंट करते हैं, द गवर्नमेंट विच इज रन बाय व्हेन वी आर सिलेक्टिंग द पीपल, तो वो एकदम पार्शियल नहीं होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी इम्पार्शियल. एंड टू सिक्योर टू ऑल इट्स सिटीजन एंड टू मेक श्योर दैट ऑल इट्स सिटीजन गेट जस्टिस, social, economic and political, means that people should be treated firmly, fairly, honestly in all matters. This includes whether people around you behave well towards you, whether you are given an equal chance to earn your living and whether you can freely vote to for other. अभी justice equal का मतलब क्या हुआ? Everyone will have the right to vote. No rich or poor. There should be no difference in caste, religion, anything. That should be there. Then liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. ये मैंने पहले ही आपको समझाया था. Means that freedom to do various things, including to speak and write openly, like in media, like in magazines. We write. हमें जो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, we are free to write. We are free to express ourselves. No one can stop you to do that. So that thing is also there. And to be free to choose one's friend, to choose practice one's religion or belief, to travel, to form groups, as long as one doesn't harm other people by doing so. अब हर चीज़ का फ्रीडम है. आप अपनी कंट्री में फ्रीली घूम सकते हो. आपको no one will stop you to go here and there. Okay, this thing is also there. Then fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation, means that all the Indians should be encouraged to be like a family and take care of each other like brothers and sisters despite their different languages, religions and culture. This unity and diversity is needed to make India strong. यहाँ पर fraternity क्या? हर religion, we should stay like brothers and sisters. We should not fight. We should not say that you are rich or poor. The caste difference should not be there. The religious differences should not be there. You should work unitedly. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, to hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. This, see, she is Justice Leila Seth, who had written this in her book. She had explained it so beautifully. कितनी अच्छी तरह से उन्होंने ये सारे जो आपके preambles हैं उनको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है. द नेक्स्ट, see, the constitution contains the ideas, rules, promises and duties agreed to by the people of our country. It can be changed from time to time if the citizen feel that it is necessary to do so, but it cannot be done too easily because it is the most important law of our country. हम इस law को change नहीं कर सकते. It is important only if it is necessary. कुछ चीज़ों में problems आई हैं, then only you can change, but not like that. A right is what you can do. A duty is what you should do. Right क्या है? वॉट यू कैन डू, जो हम कर सकते हैं. ड्यूटी क्या है? वो आपको करनी ही है. नो वन विल स्टॉप यू टू डू दैट. द फंडामेंटल राइट्स और बेसिक राइट्स ऑफ ईच सिटीजन हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, बट द आइडिया ऑफ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज वॉज एडेड इन अर्ली 1977. दीज इंक्लूड डिफेंडिंग अ कंट्री, प्रमोटिंग ब्रदरहुड एंड सिस्टरहुड, taking care of forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and striving together towards excellence. Although no one can tell us what to do, we need to have agreements with other countries for trade, for keeping the peace and to help deal with certain problems such as climatic change. Now these things are there. देखो country में जो ये duties हैं जो वो किस पे, lakes, rivers और अपन का सारा जो दूसरे matters हैं उस पे आपको वो handle करता है fundamental duties. And here no one जो भी आपको चाहिए agreement, the countries for the countries, between the countries, trading है जैसे business है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें fundamental duties के अंदर आती है कि how you have to do it. So this is coming under that फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़. नाउ वेल दैट वाज क्विक. अब देखो इनको कितनी जल्दी से एंड कितनी अच्छी तरह से इनको समझ में आ गई कि हमें प्रोजेक्ट में क्या करना है. सो नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर and they are saying yes, we can make a large poster with all kinds of people we can think of. We can create a collage. अब उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि कैसे प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे, एक कोलाज बनाएंगे, पोस्टर बनाएंगे एंड विद दैट पिक्चर्स लगा के उसमें दे विल टॉक अबाउट इट एंड टॉक अबाउट व्हाट और हु वी द पीपल अबाउट द पीपल आर एंड हाउ वी शुड ऑल बी गिवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लिव विद डिग्निटी. I think we should also think about the fundamental duties given in our constitution, especially the ones mentioned in this book about defending our country, promoting brotherhood and sisterhood, taking care of forests, lakes, rivers. तो अब इससे इन लोगों ने एकदम क्लियर पिक्चर हो गया कि उनको प्रोजेक्ट काय का बनाना है, कि कैसे अपन लोग प्रीएम्बल प्लस फंडामेंटल राइट्स ड्यूटीज़ का मिला के एक कोलाज बना के बहुत सुंदर सा प्रोजेक्ट हम बना सकते हैं. तो द अदर फ्रेंड टोल्ड येस एंड आई थिंक आई नो व्हाट वी शुड फोकस ऑन. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज फॉर all the people, it is by the people and for the people. So who are all these people? Many of them don't come to our mind when we say we the people. We you know in the TV program I spoke about, they mentioned getting all the people progress because there is that is the dream written into the preamble. We should think of everyone, people from all parts of India, the north south. अब इनने क्या बोला कि हम सब तरफ से देखो, they are talking about we the people means सारी जो states हैं अपनी वो सब इंक्लूड हो गई. तो वो बोल रही है कि हम सब लोगों को इकट्ठा लेके सबके पिक्चर्स लेके दैट वे विल मेक अ पोस्टर, बिग कोलाज एंड अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रोजेक्ट वी कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर इट. सो दिस इज देयर इन दिस स्टोरी. थैंक यू.